Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Last time we dug into why building a personal brand, whether it's a YouTube channel, a podcast, or even a social media account, is such a game changer in today's world. It's all about trust, connection, and showing up as yourself. Today though, I've got something special to share, a project I've been working on in the background for quite a while. It's an AI content creation assistant in the form of a mobile app. In an era where authenticity and consistency are everything, this app is designed to simplify the hurdles that so often trip up creators and keep them from hitting their goals, and unfortunately, many people quit as a result. I've been doing different forms of content creation and YouTube for a few years now, so I've poured all of those lessons into this app too. Let's be honest, creating content sounds amazing when you first get started. You're buzzing with ideas, picturing that perfect video or post, and you can't wait to share it with the world. But then reality creeps in. Setting up your camera, figuring out the lighting, planning what you're going to say, it can start to feel less like a passion and more like a chore. Scripting, that's a whole other beast. You sit down to write and suddenly procrastination becomes your new best friend. I've definitely been there, and I know a lot of you have too. It's not just the setup either though. There's this waiting game, pouring effort into video after video, wondering when it's all going to click, when that inflection point will hit and your audience starts to grow. It's tough to stay motivated when the payoff feels so far off. Those little frictions add up as well, and before you know it, you're second guessing the whole thing. That's exactly why I started working on this app, because I believe the hurdles shouldn't stop anyone from building something they're genuinely proud of. So after months of tinkering and testing, I've built an app that takes the messy, tedious parts of content creation and smooths them out with a little help from AI. Here's the cool part. Your idea for a video can be as vague or as specific as you want. Maybe you've just got a fleeting thought, like something about morning routines, or maybe you've got a detailed vision with specific words in mind. Either way, you open up the app, type or speak it out loud with as little or as much detail as you feel like, and it will do its thing. It takes what you give it and turns it into a well-rounded script, ready to roll into a video. No more staring at a blank page, no more fumbling over how to start. It's like having a creative assistant that gets you and is designed to keep the process as effortless as possible and your momentum strong. But it doesn't stop at scripts. The app's loaded with features to carry you through every step. We've got a set of tutorials tailored for YouTube, practical stuff like framing your shots, pacing the delivery, or getting comfortable on camera. And then there's the Teleprompter function, which can really help when you're filming. Load up your script and it scrolls right there on your screen, so no memorizing, no stumbling, just smooth sailing. For the multitaskers out there, we've also got an advanced teleprompter mode, which lets you record a selfie video like a vlog or a quick update while reading your script at the same time, all from your phone. It's seamless and keeps you looking natural without missing a beat. All of this is wrapped up in a single product. It helps you film, plan, and organize, and it can easily keep track of all your projects and allows you to make changes in the future. The whole point of this app is to wipe out the friction that drags creators down. Over time, the app will get better at creating content that is tailored to you. So you can rest assured that the process will become better over time, and also the app will introduce new features and tools that will make the whole process easier. I think it's worth pointing out though that this isn't about replacing your creativity. It's about clearing the clutter so you can channel it in yourself. And it's not just for beginners either. If you're a seasoned creator juggling a packed schedule, this can streamline your workflow too. Less hassle, more output, and a process that actually feels good. That's the goal anyway. When you're not bogged down by the small stuff, you've got more energy to connect with your audience, and that's where the real magic lives. I know you're probably wondering, okay, this sounds pretty good, but how does it actually look and play out? So don't worry, I'm going to explain this more through a demo, and in the next video I'm going to walk you through the app step by step. We're going to dig into every feature, the script generator that handles vague ideas or detailed ones, the teleprompter, all of it, and I'll show you how it can fit into your content creation journey. So let me know your thoughts in the comments section if you're curious about the app, what features you'd like to see, and what are your main obstacles currently in content creation. Anyway, I'm looking forward to sharing more in the next video and seeing people's feedback when it gets released in the coming days. If you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate if you could like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.